All right, back with another video. I just picked up this dual Google Hub, and so it's two Google Hub units together from Costco for $249.99. Today's November 27th, and so I know you can get one on online retailers for $149.99, but this is a dual pack. Obviously, Costco has some unique pricing worked out with Google. Anyway, we're going to open it up and take a look at what comes inside. So here's what's inside, just two separate units. They were just packed together. So we're going to go ahead and open one of them up and take a look at what comes in the package itself. Obviously it has all the Google Hub conveniences, and I'm going to pair it with some other stuff we already have that works on that type of system, like the Wemo outlet you may have seen on my other video, and some other things, and so we'll open it up, see what's inside. All right, this is what comes in it. Obviously this is just the top, empty part, and then here's our unit. Take it out, it's got the little stand and the built-in speaker, a little closer, and open it up, and we've got the let's get started, and here we go, here's our outlet, and I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and follow some directions and see what we can get programmed. So before I plug it in, it says the instructions, plug it in, then get the app. And then it says, then to learn about it, you can start doing that kind of stuff. And then I'm sure there's a lot of YouTube videos and whatnot on how to set it up, to add devices to it and use it on your home network, and we'll try it out. All right, so we've set this up with our Christmas lights on different sockets, on Wemo sockets. And so we can tell to turn off all sockets. So our train over there, if you see it, is on one of the Wemo sockets. So we'll say, hey Google, turn off all sockets. See if it goes off. Went off. Now tell it to turn them on.
Okay.
Hey Google, turn all sockets.
Turn them on. Say turn on.
Turn all sockets.
Sorry, I'm not sure which
Say,
socket
hey,
you'd
Google.
like to turn off.
Say hey Google.
Hey Google, turn all sockets.
Turn.
Sorry, I
You
don't
just
know
say
how to
turn
help with
on
that
all
yet,
sockets.
but I'm trying to learn.
Hey Google, turn
Hey,
on
Google.
all sockets.
Turn all sockets.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet.
Okay, don't say
but
anything.
I'm trying to learn.
Hey Google, turn on all sockets. There it goes.
Turning on 4 things.
All right, guys, you can do different things by asking it to show you YouTube or Pandora or other things that you might have linked to your personal account, and we'll try mine. Hey, Google, show YouTube video on how to set an Arlo schedule.
Sure, showing on how to set an Arlo schedule videos.
And there we go, average show reviews. Click on that. Here you have it. And so just, an example of what you can do. Hey Google, play Pandora Christmas.
All right, here's the Pandora station called Christmas.
Pretty simple. Hey Google, what's the weather gonna be like in Las Vegas?
In Las Vegas tomorrow, it'll be sunny with a high of 69 and a low of 49.
Hey Google, home screen.
Like the ones I used to
Hey Google,
know.
stop. Hey Google, stop. So there you have it. Just a little action what you can do after you get it set up. You do have to link your personal Pandora account, YouTube account from your Gmail, but just some things you can do. I've been trying to get this to work, but we'll try this one more time. Hey Google, show me the front door. I have some cameras hooked up there, but the bandwidth is kind of low with everybody else using stuff in my house, and so sometimes it won't stream it, but it does on occasion work.
It looks like the stream is currently unavailable from front door 1.
Yeah, that's what I typically get. Hey Google, show me back door. Probably gonna get the same thing.
You got it, streaming back door 1 on kitchen display.
All right. It just takes a moment to kick in. There's a little, there we go. Okay, so there's the back door. And you could probably, if you looked on the distance, maybe see me moving through the kitchen there. Anyway, hey Google home screen. That's what you can do. Just very, very small demonstration. So comment with any questions, and comment below, as I said, and subscribe, of course. This will basically, when you first plug it in, we'll run through a whole thing on how you can set it up and how to do things, and so I don't really need to go through that because you'll see it yourself. It's pretty intuitive, and it's pretty easy to use. You can pull down and do home screen and slide over here and to do different things, and so you'll figure it out. But it's pretty cool so far.